Man, I am telling you, the beautiful face of Janet Yellen makes me want to buy cryptocurrency. Well, not really, but after you read through this article and you see what's going on and the fact that we could have stimulus measures here in the United States and across the globe, China specifically, we've got a major bull market that could be brewing right now, and I believe that is going to want to make you buy some cryptocurrency. So we're going to be talking about it in this video, and we're going to be talking about a meme coin that I think could do very, very well if, of course, all of this comes to fruition, and that is Pepe Unchained. So if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we've got Pepe Unchained on the screen right now. We're going to be talking about these two cryptocurrencies in this video specifically after we go through this article. So if at any time during the video you find yourself interested in buying, make sure you use that link down in the description below or the pinned comment. You're going to be able to pull up these cryptos. You're going to be able to check them out for yourself. But first, let's talk about what this beautiful woman is getting ready to do here in the United States. It says Yellen will inject at least $301 billion in a maximum of $1.05 trillion into the economy between now and year end. Hayes, a co-founder of Bitcoin and crypto derivatives pioneer BitMEX, who went on to set up Maelstrom Investment Fund, wrote in a blog post this week. This is going to create a glorious bull market in all types of risk assets, including crypto, all in time for the election. Hayes' Bitcoin prediction is partly based on the unproven theory that Yellen wants to help the Democratic Party win the 2024 election. Now, how would that be? What goes on there? When you inject money into the economy, when you put cash in people's hands, they spend it. There's very, very few people out there that save their money and so on. They have to go out there and buy something with it. Now, knowing that, that's called stimulus measures. And when any government or any country decides to go out there and stimulate their economy, they put money into people's hands, and a lot of times people go out and invest it in riskier assets. If that's the case, yes, $1 trillion being put into the hands of U.S. residents, we could see a massive increase in risky assets, including crypto, just like this, what is his name? Hayes, just like Hayes says here. Now, on top of that, it's not just the U.S., it's China as well. Next year, Hayes expects China to finally unleash its long-awaited bazooka fiscal stimulus, predicting that the China-America crypto bull market shall be glorious. Now, China's fallen into a little bit of trouble this year, and that feeds expectations that the Chinese central bank will step in with stimulus measures. Guys, if China stimulates their economy, if the United States stimulates their economy, we're talking about a massive influx of cryptocurrency buyers. And if that's the case, listen, it coincides perfectly with the 2024 beginning of the bull market rally into the 2025 peak of the bull market rally that falls on that 4-year peak-to-peak cycle for Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto space. Now, if that's what we can expect to see, you better expect to see gains in meme coins like Pepe Unchained. Why? Because retail investors will return. They're not here right now. You guys can see that retail is nowhere to be found. This is the 2017 peak. This is the 2021 peak. We're right back down here at bear market lows that we were seeing in terms of retail interest in 2016. We're seeing it during here at this bear market between 2018 and 2021, and we're seeing it in the bear market right now. Retail will return, and when they do, they return to meme coins. Pepe Unchained is a brand new layer 2 blockchain focused on, yes, meme coins, and therefore it's going to draw the attention of retail investors. These guys have already done $9.3 million in total raise, and that is excellent at a time when the rest of the cryptocurrency market is experiencing outflows and fear. Pepe Unchained is seeing massive buys. I believe a lot of people are loading up on this in anticipation of the bull market rally. Now, another token, brand new, focused on meme coins. As you can see on the screen right here, I grabbed myself some today because I believe in this token, and I believe it is going to see massive increase as, of course, the overall market continues to move higher and retail investors return as well. Crypto Allstars has done $524,000 in sales. It is brand new. This pre-sale token is taking place, but its focus? Meme coins. Guys, they are building what they call a meme vault. Now, the meme vault is going to allow the top holders of all major meme coins. It says, or any holder, I should say, of the top major meme coins. You don't have to be a top holder of it. In short, this means that all top meme coin holders worldwide are brought together under a single umbrella to stake their tokens, incentivized and rewarded for holding STARS tokens, or this Crypto All-Stars token, the lifeblood of the platform. So guys, you can come out here, and we'll look at some of the rates right now, but you can come out here, and if you own Pepe, if you own Dogecoin, if you own Shiba Inu, Floki, Brett, Mog, Milady, Turbo, Toshi, Coke, or Bonk, you can stake these for ridiculously high rewards. Now, right now, the staking rewards for owning STARS token on an annualized basis is 2,968%. Guys, that's a 30x increase if you were able to stake for the entirety of a year. A 30x increase is incredible. I mean, you would break even if the token fell 90, 95, 97% in value. You guys would still be breaking even because these rewards are so high. Now, I have a lot of positive expectations because I know a lot of very wealthy bulls are going to be created and very wealthy whales are going to be created during this upcoming bull market rally. If you want to break down to the tokenomics for Crypto All-Stars here, 20% of the tokens go to the presale, 25% to presale staking, 20% to marketing, 10% to centralized and decentralized exchanges, and then 25% going to the meme vault ecosystem. If you already own some of these major meme coins and you want to earn some additional money, make sure to check out Crypto All-Stars. If you want a cryptocurrency that could thrive during a bull market based on its meme coin status, Crypto All-Stars and Pepe Unchained are setting themselves apart, leading up to what could be the biggest bull market ever. I want to know what you guys think about it all down in the comments below, and until the next time, hope each and every one of you have an awesome day.